Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Thursday, October 12th, 2023. The market's been rallying off of the recent lows, and yesterday got an overbought reading, taking place in the context of some weakness over the past couple months. We're going to take a look at that pattern here this morning in today's daily IQ. Let me go ahead and get it set up. We're going to be using all four instruments. Our setups based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, the strength has continued into the overnight session. So from the opening filters, I'm going to click on gap up from the gap direction. Then I'm going to go to the indicators section. I'm going to grab two different indicators to describe this pattern where we are overbought within the context of kind of a weak market over the past couple months. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to grab this day after 2-day RSI reading greater than 95. So that's an overbought reading. And then I'm just going to use one moving average here. And I'm going to go to like a medium term one, and I'm going to use a 50-day simple moving average. So we closed below a 50-day simple moving average. We've been below it for a while. So we have an overbought reading, but below a 50-day simple moving average. Let me go ahead and click View Results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when you are gapping up following an overbought RSI reading while below a 50-day simple moving average. Historically, just 15 samples here in the S&P, so not a large sample size. NASDAQ just 19, 22 for the Dow, 14 for the Russell. If we look at the win rates on them, they're mostly weak. S&P coming in the weakest at 33% of those closing above the opening print for the day. For the NASDAQ, it's 37%. The Dow's more neutral at 55%, and the Russell 43%. If we take a look at the average moves, looks like the average move to the downside is larger in the S&P. That's also the case here in the NASDAQ. For the Dow, they're very similar in size, and for the Russell, the average move to the downside is a bit weaker. So 3 of the 4 instruments have historically been a bit weak on the lowish sample size that we have here, but generally this pattern has been a little bit of a weaker pattern when overbought in a weak market environment. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.